Adhesives is a real interesting technology. It's something you don't think about every day, and yet you pretty much are touching it every day.
Bostik is looked at in the marketplace as not only an industry leader, but an innovator.
What attracted me to this role was the opportunity to work on new projects and new, novel, innovative technologies.
A place where a guy that was interested in pursuing science, which is what I really wanted to do, was kind of given free rein in the laboratory to get a project and essentially take it as your own.
To be able to come in every day and work on something that has the potential to change the technology, change the market, I think that's pretty neat.
The word no or we can't do something isn't accepted very lightly. They really give you the tools to think creatively and outside of the box to find a solution for whatever customer you're working with.
It's not just follow whatever people doing before.
They deliver the highest quality for the price that a customer pays.
Through dealing with the customer, we're able to see the need and formulate a product, formulate a solution for them.
There are so many different applications and different types of adhesives that we make, so you're learning something new every day.
Bostik is a leader in the industry, and so they have a lot of resources.
The upstream research group is doing cutting-edge technology. We're looking at new material feed streams.
The company's really working on expanding, bringing new people, bringing in all sorts of experts from other fields.
We push the boundaries. We're always looking for the next step change in technology.
Every different function of a group is working together.
The things we do really do have an impact in day-to-day lives of thousands of people.
That's a really satisfying aspect, that you've really accomplished something that's important to people out there in the world.
My name is Thuy Ai Nguyen.
Leanne Strang.
Mark Elper.
Katie Harvey.
Philip Jung.
Clint Kosick.
Michael Kessler.
Dan Rately.
Kyle Gerardin.
I've been with Bostik for about 4 years.
4 weeks.
About a year.
5 months now.
About 7 months.
2.5 years now.
5 months.
A little over a year now.
Been with Bostik over 37 years now.